In this problem, we're told about some people who are buying tickets to a concert. And they tell us that Rachel bought 2 adult tickets, 2 student tickets, 1 child ticket, and it cost $52. RJ bought 1 adult, 2 student, 3 child, and it cost 56. And then Hong bought 1 adult. It doesn't mention students, so 0, and then 1 child ticket for a cost of $44. See, the first thing I did was put this in a table to get the information nice and organized. And it's already kind of shaping up to look like 3 equations with 3 unknown variables. So the first thing I really do is I'm going to define my variables. I'm going to let A equal the cost in dollars of a single adult ticket, S will be the cost in dollars of a student ticket, and C will be the cost in dollars of a child ticket. And so then I just add that information in my table, because if Rachel bought 2 adult tickets, then 2A is the amount of money that she spent on those adult tickets. And then we add in her 2 student tickets, her 1 child ticket, it equals 52. Do the same thing for RJ and for Hong. Notice for Hong, it doesn't matter whether or not we write an S here. At this point, we have 2 options for solving. We could use elimination or substitution. Now, I noticed that if I subtract RJ's equation and Hong's equation from Rachel's equation, then my adult tickets cancel out and my student tickets cancel out, because 2 minus 1 is 0 and 2 minus 2 is 0. And so then I can just continue. 1 minus 3 minus 4 gives me negative 6c. Don't worry about it being negative, because when we subtract these numbers, we get negative 48, which means that when we divide both sides by negative 6, the negatives cancel out, and we just get that c equals 8. Which, looking back at where we defined our variables, means that the cost of a child's ticket is $8. If we take that information and combine it with this equation, because this equation only has 2 unknowns, it's got A and C, but we just found out what C is. So if we combine them together, right, 1A is just A, plus 4C, but we know each child's ticket cost $8, equals a total of 44. 44. Well, 4 times 8 is 32, so I'm going to subtract that from both sides, okay? And so that leaves me with A equals 12, which means that each adult ticket costs $12. If I take both of those and plug it into the original, honestly, it doesn't matter. I could do the second one, but I just chose to do the first one. Then I get that 2A, which we just solved and found out that A is 12, plus 2S, because we don't know what S is yet, plus 1C, which is just 8. When we add all of those up, we get 52. Okay, and so, well, 2 times 12 is 24, so I'm going to subtract that 24, and I'm going to subtract 8, which means I'm subtracting a total of 32. Leaves me with 2S equals 20, which, divide both sides by 2, means that S must equal 10. And don't forget to put all your information together for an answer, right? We figured out the price of each adult ticket, each student ticket, and each child ticket. And that is our final answer.